Well, I'm from El Paso, Texas, and I was told about Dr. Motwani through a therapy session with my son, and the therapist had a procedure done with Dr. Motwani, and I thought through previous doctor experiences in El Paso that I had no option to ever have anything done with my eyes except a transplant, a corneal transplant, which I didn't look like I was going to be able to have done. So I only had vision in one eye, my left eye, so it was pretty discouraging. And so after speaking with Dr. Motwani, I went ahead and give it a shot and came and had the procedure done in March of 2024. And after 6 weeks later, my vision is just absolutely amazing. I couldn't even see the letter E on my right eye, and now I have like almost near perfect vision. Well, it's just unbelievable what I can see now. I can see details that I had not seen before. And the reason I had gone through this is I have keratoconus and wasn't diagnosed with this until later in life. I was ignored from a doctor that had been seen for 20 years. So the progression in that eye had just gotten so bad that it was very discouraging. So Dr. Motwani performed a miracle on my eye, and it's just unbelievable what he did. This was an amazing procedure.